Hello, and welcome to Unit 6. My name is Sarah, and today's lesson is about home and family. Today, we're going to learn about houses, parts of a house, families, and members of a family. There are various types of houses and different types of houses. Some houses are apartments or flats. Some houses are single family homes where only usually just one family lives in the house and it's separate from other houses. Some are mobile or trailer homes. These are houses that actually can be lifted and moved to different locations. And some are townhouses, often called row houses, and sometimes even called condominiums. So let's look at the different parts of a house, starting with the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have cupboards, a freezer, refrigerator, stove, oven, sink, window, and a floor. Let's look at the living room. The living room is where people get together, maybe after having breakfast or dinner, or to watch TV, or just to relax and to socialize. Okay, so in the living room, we have a carpet, plants, couch or sofa, armchair, an end table or side table, desk, pictures or paintings, a wall, and shelves. Let's take a look at the bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a mirror, shower, sink, toilet, cabinet, plant, and bathtub. And now let's take a look at the parts of a home, the bedroom. The bedroom has a lamp, it has windows, end table, pictures or paintings, a bed, mirror, a dresser, carpet, a chair, and a rug. Okay, let's check for your understanding of these new vocabulary words. We eat breakfast in the we eat breakfast in the bathroom, living room, or the kitchen. She takes a shower in the she takes a shower in the bathroom, living room, or kitchen. After dinner, the family gathers in the blank to watch TV. The family gathers in the bathroom to watch TV, the living room, or the kitchen. And here are the answers. We eat breakfast in the kitchen. She takes a shower in the bathroom. After dinner, the family gathers in the living room to watch TV. Okay, so describe your house. So I'm going to describe my house. I live in an apartment in Chicago. I have an elevator that takes me to the 15th floor. I then walk down the hallway and go to my apartment or my flat. My apartment has a kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, and two bedrooms. When I look out my window, I see the city. Can you describe your house? So take a moment and describe your house. You can write it down just like I did in the previous slide. So now let's take a look at families. Families can be two or more people who are related to each other through blood ties or marriage or other types of unions. Families often live together in one house. Here are some different kinds of families: a mother, father, mother, daughter, and son in the first family. Second family is brothers and sisters, aunts, uncles, and a cousin. Well, this group could be brothers and sisters, they could be aunts and, say, nieces or nephew, uncles, and or they could all be cousins. The next family is a mother and a son. Then we have a father and a daughter. This family, the next family has a grandfather, son, father, grandmother, and a child or a baby. Or to the grandparents, this would be a grandchild. Or a family could be a husband and wife or partners who live together in the same house. So take a moment to describe your family. I'll give you an example and describe my family. Mother, from starting from left to right, mother, father, little sister, brother, sister-in-law or my brother's wife, me, my grandmother, and my grandfather. Now, can you describe your family? Take a moment and write down all the people who are in your family. So, today for the class recap, we took a look at different types of houses: single family homes, motor homes, apartments or flats, townhomes or townhouses, condominiums or condos. Can you describe the type of house that you live in? Parts of the house. We looked at the main parts of a home: the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, the bathroom. Can you describe your home? Families. We looked at some examples of families. Families include people and pets who are bound together by blood ties or by choice. Many people live together in one household, but some people live apart in separate households for many different reasons. There are many different kinds of families. Can you describe your family? That is the lesson for today. I look forward to meeting you again next time. Have a great day.